What if I told you the shirt you're wearing was once trash? Every single day, this factory swallows millions of bottles and spits out fabric.
Watch the impossible transformation, really, step by step.
Nobody shows you what really happens inside Felmian. Until now. 4 stages. 1 incredible journey. Let's go. It all starts here. Peckler. Tons of used bottles arrive every hour. Each bale weighs over half a ton angel, pure plastic waste. The bales are broken open and the bottles flood onto the line. Now the sorting begins, and it's more high-tech than you think. Then lasers scan every bottle, sorting by color in milliseconds. Green, blue, clear, pruned. Each color takes its own path. Clear bottles are the most valuable. They become the best fabric. Hidden metal bits are stripped out to protect the machines. Perfectly sorted, the clear PET bottles are ready for cleaning.
One last check. This can. Only pure PET moves forward.
In just one shift, millions of bottles are sorted and ready. Now the bottles meet the shredder. Whole bottles are ripped into tiny flakes in seconds. These flakes are the raw material for your future clothes. But they're still dirty. Labels, glue, and grime cling to them. Into the wash they go. It's like a powerful hot bath. Hot water and friction scrub every flake clean. Lighter labels float away while pure plastic sinks. Clever separation. Density does the sorting. No chemicals needed here. Now sparkling clean, the flakes rise out of the water. A spinning dryer whips away every drop of moisture. Dry, clean, and pure and peace, ready for the next stage. From filthy trash to spotless flakes, Onin. The transformation is real. Tons of clean flakes now wait to become thread. Every batch is tested compliant. Purity is everything for good fabric.
Remember pack. This all started as a bottle you threw away.
In minutes, waste becomes a valuable raw material. Now comes the heat, Okun. The melting stage begins. Inside, temperatures soar past 250 degrees Celsius. The solid flakes melt into a thick, honey-like liquid. The melt is filtered again, catching any last contaminants. It's pushed out into long, hot plastic strands.
A cold water bath instantly hardens the strands.
Now solid, the strands race toward the cutter. Chopped into perfect little pellets, the building blocks of fabric.
These tiny pellets are pure recycled polyester haceways, rPET.
Smooth, uniform, and ready tan, they flow just like liquid.
Pipes carry the pellets to the spinning department.
Stored in towering silos, tons of pellets await. Each batch is checked for quality before spinning. Hard to believe these pellets were plastic bottles minutes ago.
Bottle, flake, pellet. 3 steps down, the fabric is next.
This machine never sleeps. Pellets by the ton, all day long. Now the magic happens. Pellets become thread. Pellets are melted one more time into liquid polyester.
It's pushed through a spinneret with hundreds of tiny holes.
Out come hair-thin filaments, the very first threads.
Cool air hardens them instantly into solid fiber.
Many filaments twist together into one strong yarn.
Stretching allies the fibers, making the yarn tough.
The fresh yarn winds onto spools at incredible speed. Hundreds of spools fill at once, a mesmerizing sight.
Full spools are swapped out in a flawless rhythm.
Recycled bottles are now soft, usable yarn. Every thread is checked for strength and smoothness.
A special process gives the yarn a soft, cottony feel.
The yarn is ready cloning, off to become fabric.
This soft thread was a plastic bottle just hours ago.
Kilometers of yarn are spun every single hour.
Now the yarn becomes actual fabric.
Hundreds of needles loop the yarn thousands of times a minute.
Watch each tiny stitch build into soft fabric. A seamless tube of fresh fabric pours out below.
The new fabric winds neatly onto huge rolls.
Every meter is inspected, no defects allowed.
Now it's time to add color.
Fabric plunges into rich dye baths. Heated rollers dry the fabric and lock in the color.
A final stretch makes it perfectly smooth and even. Rolls of colorful recycled fabric are ready to wear.
Soft, strong, and made entirely from bottles.
This factory makes tons of fabric every single day. The fabric is layered dozens of sheets thick. A computer-guided cutter slices perfect shapes.
Every piece of the shirt is in seconds.
Expert hands stitch the pieces together.
Precise stitches form the shape of the garment. Down the line, the shirt takes shape step by step.
Collars and sleeves are added with speed and skill. The label goes in, and it's officially a product.
Loose threads are trimmed and quality checked.
A quick steam press makes it look brand new.
And here it is, and cat it is, a shirt born from plastic bottles.
Thousands of garments are made here every day.
The clothes are folded and prepared for the world. Packed in recycled materials, sustainable to the end.
Ready to ship to stores all around the globe. From a single thrown-away bottle to the clothes you love.
Next time you drink from a bottle, remember where it could go.